How to add PayPal account to Google Pay. In this video, I will explain you each and everything regarding this. First of all, you have to go to the Google Play here, open the mobile application. On the top right, you will see a profile icon. Again, tap on it, and here you will find the option payments and subscription. Just go over here. Now you will get an option of payment methods. So this is the payment method here, and let it load. And basically here you will get an option to add your PayPal account, right? So guys, here you can add your PayPal account. Basically, if you're not able to find it here, it means that in your country, Google Play doesn't support PayPal, same way as in my country. But here there's another option, more payment settings. You can go here and basically they will redirect to your website. And this is Google Play balance. It will show all the money which you have added to your Google Play, and then you can access it. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.